Hi guys, in the last video I forgot to show you a little thing I've created recently and I want to know how it looks to you. This is the case in which I will ship the lockpicks I made. As you can see, solid brass hardware works like this. The top holds firmly in place. Here you see the lockpicks. And the nice feature I made is that you can actually pull the front just like that. And this gives you a little workbench so you can put your lockpicks. Let's say maybe something like this. The tools you're using, locks, and everything stays in place. You're not gonna lose anything. The top also is a little bit put it just like that, so anything will roll out and down from the table. And you can also add strips right there to hold things on the top. This is up to the customer. Let me know what you think. I think it's pretty cool to have, and it works nicely. You can see I can close this with my left hand. I'm right-handed, so it's really simple to open and close. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.